What's going on, everybody? It's Tony again, working on the 240, but in this episode, we're not going to be working on the car so much as we are the engine. Just got some packages in today. I'll go ahead and open them up and show you guys what I did order to get this show on the road. Anybody who's familiar with ACT, probably already seen it. This right here, this beautiful package, is the clutch. Alright. This is the NS3-HDSS. It's the Performance Street sprung clutch. Alright, so out of the box, we've got our clutch disc. Looks a lot different than the other one. The other one, I believe I have it over here. I'll show you guys. Nissan Skyline clutch. It's 100% stock. It's what they came with. This, you can see the pads are really spread out. This one is like one complete padding compound, so it's going to grip a lot better. It's going to hold a lot more power too. So when I do turn it up, because it has an R34 turbo, it's going to handle the power just fine. Just kidding. But yeah, this is the pressure plate. This is what pushes against the clutch to give you the grip when you let go of the pedal. All right, enough of that. On to something way better. They actually wrapped every single part individually. Okay, this are the motor mounts. These allow you to direct bolt in an RB into something that does not take an RB, like a 240 for instance. This one goes on the engine, and then somehow they go like that some way, or this, honestly not sure yet. Trans brace. I wish, well, it's all TIG welded, I mean, it looks pretty good. So this bolts underneath, and the 240 trans, I hope it has a mount on there. I haven't looked yet. Bolts directly to this. It doesn't have a mount. I'm gonna have to find one. Okay, we got the flywheel on. I sprayed it with brake cleaner, cleaned it up, got all the grease off of it. Now we're at the point where we're gonna install the clutch. Remember, these things come pre-greased from the factory so that they don't corrode and rust when you get them. So this surface here, the contact portion, you must clean it with brake cleaner or something equivalent and dry it really good and make sure that it does not feel slimy. So just spray your brake clean on here. Take your clean rag and clean it. Mine was just a white shirt, so it wasn't nice and clean. Look at that, it's all grease. So you're gonna take your disc, put it on the flywheel, hold it. This will slide into the crank. Yeah. Now it holds it perfectly centered. If you don't use this, what happens is this can travel from here to here, up and down, quarter inch, eighth of an inch, whatever it is. When you go to put your transmission in, the spline, so pretend this is the transmission spline, when you go to put it in, it's gonna hit. You can't put it in. It has to be perfectly aligned for this to slide over the transmission. This holds it in place, nice and centered, while you install your pressure plate. Alright, grab your transmission. Alright, we got checked. Put it in. There we go. See that? Now it's in. One day, Jay will learn how to do his own freaking tires.
You got this grease monkey. I don't need to do them.
We got Chris over here.
Hey.
Alright, do you want to test it? See if it works before you get all happy?
Test what?
Right there's a machine on the shelf.
What?
So we made progress on the 240 since earlier. I showed him how to install a clutch, how to torque all the bolts down. I went ahead and I cleared the engine bay. Looks fucking spectacular. No, I don't think so. So we went ahead, and got the trans onto the motor now. The harness is all taped up. It's up to my satisfaction. Got all the random hoses and stuff all done. The mounts are right here. So they're eBay mounts. They're actually really good quality. They go right on. And he's gonna scrape. But overall, we're up here at the Big Ugly's garage. Just kind of chilling. There's a lot of updates coming for Big Ugly's garage. You guys will see them. Go to our Facebook page, Big Uglies, and you'll see everything. We got a lot planned for it.
A lot of things planned for next
We got a lot of things planned. Sorry. 2019 is definitely going to be our year. We have a lot of stuff coming in store. Check the merch on the Facebook account. It's all made in-house by yours truly. And don't forget, like, subscribe, Big Uglies YouTube.